In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your ledger to the Phantom Wallet. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to ensure a seamless connection between these two platforms. Let's get started by first opening the Phantom app. Make sure that you're logged into your account, as it's crucial to have access to all your settings and options. Once you're on your home page, you'll want to look for your profile icon and simply give it a click. This action will bring you directly to the settings menu, where we can further customize your wallet connections. In the settings, navigate to the Manage Accounts section. From there, we're about to add a new wallet or connect an existing one. You'll notice an option that says Add or Connect Wallet. Click on that and then click on Connect Hardware Wallet. Now you'll be prompted to connect your ledger device. At this point, connect your ledger by clicking Connect. Make sure your ledger device is properly connected to the computer. You'll then see your ledger device appear in the interface. Click on it and then click Connect once more. This should establish a connection between your ledger and Phantom Wallet. After you've successfully established this connection, a prompt will ask you to continue. Click Continue and you'll be presented with a selection of different blockchain networks like Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and more. Choose the one that you want to connect to by clicking on it and then continue. This part is crucial because selecting the right blockchain network ensures that your transactions go through the correct channels. Now, to finalize this connection, you'll need to open the app for your selected blockchain. For example, if you've chosen Solana, make sure to open the Solana app on your ledger. This step is necessary because it allows your device to interface correctly with the network and verify transactions. Once the app is open on your ledger, head back to the Phantom interface and look for the option to Select Accounts. Click on this option and then click Continue. After a brief moment, Phantom will recognize your ledger and your accounts will be successfully linked. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected your ledger to your Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you've ensured that you can manage your blockchain assets with added security. Thanks for sticking with me throughout this process. Stay tuned for more how-to guides and tutorials, and as always, keep exploring the world of cryptocurrency securely.